Want to open the same apps more than once on your Mac, like having two system settings windows or editing multiple images at once in Photos? You are in the right place. Today I am going to show you how to open the multiple instances of the same app on macOS. Even though most macOS apps don't allow this by default, but with a simple trick you can do it easily. Let me show you how. First, open the terminal and type the following command: open -n -a and type the app name. For example, to open another instance of Safari, type Safari. Then hit enter and boom, a second Safari window opens. You can repeat this command as many times as you want and it will keep launching new instance of Safari. This trick works with ton of apps including Photos, Notes, Messages, FaceTime and even Final Cut Pro. If this tip helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more Mac related videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.